In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto downloads on WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your iPhone. Next, tap Settings from the bottom menu. Now scroll down and tap Storage and Data. Under the Media Auto Download section, you'll see options like Photos, Audio, Videos, and Documents. Open each of these one by one and set them all to Never. Once you've done that, auto downloads on WhatsApp will be completely turned off. And that's how you can turn off auto downloads on WhatsApp on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.